Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science virtual class. In our previous lecture, we were discussing about the different types of tourism. In that, we have discussed adventure tourism. Today, we will discuss about other types of tourism. Now, we will discuss wildlife tourism first. India has a rich forest cover, so it has large variety of wildlife also, because forests are the shelter for wildlife. Some species which are found here are Ganges shark, blue whale, snow leopard, Asiatic lion, Royal Bengal tiger, etc. Some of them are endangered. If we will not take care of them or we will not protect them, then I am sorry to say that we cannot see them in future. There are two types of animals, endangered animals and extinct animals. Endangered animals are facing threat and are on the border of extinction. Means if we will not take care of them, then they will disappear in future. So they are need to be protected. Next is extinct animals. Extinct animals are those which have disappeared from the face of earth and we cannot see them again. For their safety and protection, reserves, national parks and sanctuaries are there. In that reserves or sanctuaries, favorable conditions and protection are given to animals so that they can survive and our next generations can see them on earth. Here a Priyar Tiger Reserve example is in front of you. Next is pilgrimage tourism. India is famous for temples, church, mosques, gurudwaras, monasteries, etc. Thousands of pilgrims from India and abroad visit Vaishno Devi Temple, Golden Temple, Ajmer Sharif, Hamas Monastery, Saint Cathedral Church, etc. These are the example of pilgrimage tourism. Next is medical tourism. India has become a popular destination for medical tourism. Large number of foreigners and Indian tourists came here for medical treatment. The tourist can use a variety of means of transport to visit here like car, jeep, bus, train, aeroplane, helicopters, etc. It is important for tourists to make bookings in advance for a comfort travel. If the booking is done advance, then we can get these facilities without any delay. For that, the payment can be made in cash, check or by credit card, which is also known as plastic money. The foreign tourist can pay in the currency of their own country to the travel agents, and travel agents arrange them exchange of money and all bookings for their comfort. The foreign tourist can also get traveler's check exchanged and pay them in the local currency. These facilities are given to the tourist by travel agents. Now we will discuss some important steps to improve our tourism in India. And the steps are: people should exhibit the spirit of Atithi Devo Bhav, means treat the guest as good, to give respect to the tourist. Next, better transport facilities. To improve our tourism, we can provide them better transport facilities. Next, improved infrastructure like better roads, hotels, restaurants, etc. Next, better policing to control the crime rate. Next, cleanliness everywhere, especially at the tourist sites. If cleanliness will be there, then tourists will like to visit. Next, banning the disfigurement of monuments. We should not disfigure the monuments. And last but not least is tourist assistance centers, so that help can be provided to the tourist. Do you know, our tourism ministry has decided to reward those states governments that ensure the cleanliness in their state for tourists and provide necessary facilities to the tourist at the place of tourist interest. Students, your lesson is finished today. Read this lesson properly so that in our next lecture we can do back exercise. Thank you.